Whole health defines the building of a healthy metabolism and balanced hormones, having good energy and a nutritious diet, and needing the fewest prescription drugs. Hello, I am Dr. Kyle Cronin, one of the 3 doctors here. As naturopathic physicians, our skill is how to use natural medicines to provide real solutions to your health problems so that you feel better. Naturopathic medicine is a medical practice where we use many conventional diagnostic and lab procedures and formulate treatment programs with the emphasis on natural medicine. We may also use conventional prescriptions when necessary. Many of our patients have seen specialists for in-depth diagnostic workups, but are still having problems. We look at your whole health picture of labs, symptoms, and personal strengths to understand impediments to healing in order to restore health. We help the body heal in stages using a restorative approach. While many come to us for specific health and hormone issues, others come with multiple problems that they need help sorting out where to start and what to do. We want people to understand the stages of healing and rebuilding. Naturopathic doctors work as health coaches. We also pursue health and longevity. We create individualized treatment programs, and these evolve into personal health maintenance programs that we update each year or as health and life changes. I invite you to explore the many conditions and topics on our website. We give additional information on the conditions that we treat frequently. If your concern is not listed, give us a call to get more information about our natural approach to whole health. We look forward to working together for a lifetime of good health.